And can you see all there on the tops, in the left hand side on the tops, there is insert work, insert option. We have to click on insert, then there is the module. There is a module of user form module and class module. We have to click on the module. After clicking the module has been created, and now we can write the code here. So first code we are writing for the sub question one, and there is the sheet. There is the sheet, and there was sheet one and sheet two. And if we want to hide any particular sheets, then how we can do using the VBA automation? Let's see. Suppose there we want to hide the sheet two, then how we will do using the VBA? Let's see. Sheets, sheet two dot visible Excel sheet hidden. Excel sheet hidden. And let's click on run. Can you see their sheet 2 has been hidden now? There is no showing the sheets 2 here, and it has been hidden. Means it is hidden. And suppose if we again want to the sheet 2 is visible, then how can it possible? Let's see for that. Sub question on number 2, and suppose sheet sheet 2 dot visible Excel sheet visible. Well, now it is, now click on run, and then we are going to run. After running, can you see again sheet 2 is the visible right now? Means what is basically VBA code is doing, and just there is the right click, and there can you see there is option the hide. If you click on hide, then sheet 2 will be hide. And same function is working in the VBA codes, and it is sheet 2 going to the hide. So suppose again we click on the sheet 2 for visible. Can you see that sheet 2 is now visible again? So this function is basically used to the hide and visible for visible particular sheets of any particular workbook. And now move to third question. Sheet question number 3. And then this is the sheets. Suppose I defining the integer variable, the I as a integers, and then applying the for loop for I equal to 1 to sheets dot count. And next, after the 1, 2, and 3 class, we will also learn about the loop. So just for the using here, I am using the for loop, and details we will see in next class about the for loop. So for this loop is started from the 1, and how seats dot count, how many seats which will count the seats basically. How many seats? 1, 2, 3. It is counting the seats number, means going from the first seat to the seat dot count, means that there is 3 seats going from first seat to the 3 seats. So seat dot count, and then after seat 1, seat 1 dot copy, seat 1 dot copy after seat, after seat dot count, seat dot count. हाँ,
ये जो ये फॉर आई इज इक्वल टू 1 जो ये इसका क्या है, मतलब क्या है?
I equal to 1, ये
हाँ
बेसिकली
हाँ हाँ
यहाँ पर हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि हमने देख रहे हैं जो कि I इक्वल टू 1 इंटीजर डिफाइन किए, ये सीट नंबर बता रहे हैं, हाउ मेनी सीट्स इन द वर्कबुक. This is the workbook. Here is the workbook. There is a VBA automation. And this is the workbook. And there is how many seats? 1, seat 2, and seat 3. This is the seat number. So it is starting from the seat number 1. Seat number 1 means indexing basis पर. Index is one, मतलब one first seat. This is the first seat. And then second seat, this one the second seat, this one the third seat. So it's the seat dot counts means the started from the ones, and it is counting the how many seats in this. Means seat dot count means the counting the seats, how many seats in this workbook. So this is the only for the counting. Seat dot copy means now what we are doing, we are copying the seat 1, and again after pasting again on after adding the after seat dot counts, we are adding here next of the seat number 3. So let's click, because we didn't close the for loop. Next, can you see now? Seats 1, seat 2, seat 3, seat 4. Every seat is going to count and adding the here. Seat 1 is the going to copy and is again pasting. If we want to only the copy the any particular seats, then how can it possible? Let's see. Seat 1 dot copy after seats dot count. After seat dot count, after seat 1 dot copy. Suppose we are counting the seat 1. This is the indexing. Seat 1 dot copy after the seat dot count. Can you see here? Seat 1 dot count, seat 1, again the copying the seat 2, again going to seat 3 and seat 4. And this is the applying the for using the for loop. We are adding the how many seats we are adding here. And now suppose there is the another workbook. We open another workbook, book 2. If we want to add the here the book 2, suppose we want to add the seat 1, seat 1 just like the here the VBA. If we want to add the VBA in after the seat 1 of the new book 2, this is the book 2. Here can you see, this is the book 2 on the top, there book 2. If you want to add this VBA seats in another workbook मतलब दूसरा वर्कबुक है इसमें, तो उस वर्कबुक में हमें ये सीट को ले जाना है, तो कैसे ले जाएंगे वो देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन और let's team VBS workbook set WKB equal to workbook books book 2. What we are doing here, basically we are just we are assigning defining the variable WKB as a workbook. मीन्स तो ये क्या है, WKB एक वर्कबुक है और उसको सेट फंक्शन वी आर अप्लाइंग द सेट फंक्शन टू डिफाइन द assigning the value of WKB as a workbook name workbook dot book 2. Here is the workbook 2. This one is workbook book 2. This is the workbook 2 and we are assigning the WKB as a workbook 2. And then after we are copying the sheet VBA dot copy after WKB dot sheets WB dot sheets dot count. And now clicking running this one, and it is showing the error, debugging error. So basically after workbooks dot copy the workbook sheets dot count, workbook dot sheet dot count, it should run. What is the error basically sheets VBA dot copy after workbook sheets WKB. Here what WKB, now it is really fine. Again showing the some error. Here is the workbook this one workbook. Now it will be run code. It is not debugging. Workbook sheet set WKB is workbook workbooks dot b book 2 and then sheets VBA dot copy after VBA dot sheets dot count. Let's see. It is not working. sheets suppose sheet 2 dot copy after WKAB dot sheets WKB dot sheets dot count. Now it will work. Can you see now here in book 2 sheets sheet 2 has been added. If you want to add the sheet some other sheet VBA, then VBA. Can you see VBA sheet is also added here. So if you want to add any sheets of any particular workbook in another workbook, a different workbook, then we can also move the sheets from one workbook to the another workbook. And this is the using the VBA code. And let's see the question number 5. Here what we are doing now, we are coloring this with this tab. This is the tab VBA sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 1. This is the tab. We are now want to the color these tabs. So how it can be possible using the VBA codes? Let's see. In I as a integer and for
इंटीजर मतलब क्या होता है?
इंटीजर इज ए वेरिएबल. ये वेरिएबल है और वेरिएबल है जो कि वेरिएबल हम इंटीजर देना चाहते हैं, डबल देना चाहते हैं, तो ये हमारा वेरिएबल है. ये हम डिफाइन
ये इंटीजर कब
करेंगे.
यूज करना है?
क्या
इंटीजर कब यूज करना है?
इंटीजर
मतलब
जब
किस
यूज करना,
सिचुएशन पे
जब
यूज
हमारा
करना
1 2 हम डालते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 जो ये होता है ना इंटीजर, जो मैथमेटिकल इंटीजर होता है, तो हम वहां पर
है?
आई
अच्छा
आई एज ए इंटीजर हम डालते हैं.
अच्छा
तो जैसे मान लीजिए कि आई हमको 1 2 3 4 हमको ये करना है, तो आई एज ए इंटीजर, आई का जो वैल्यू होगा वो इंटीजर ही होगा सब समय. तो जैसे हमने
अच्छा
एक लूप चलाया, फॉर लूप चलाया, वो हमको मान लीजिए कि एक से लेकर हमको सीट डॉट काउंट, मतलब जितने इसमें सीट, जैसे मान लीजिए 5 तक चलाना है, तो ये हमारा 5 तक चलेगा. ये हमारा 5 तक
अच्छा अच्छा
चलेगा, 1 से 5 तक. यदि हम सीट डॉट काउंट लेंगे तो जितना नंबर ऑफ द सीट्स हो गए उसमें, तो वो हमारा सीट
हम्म
चलेगा. So basically here the I equal to 1 to the seat dot counts the how many seats in this, and then we put the seats seat I dot tab color equal to VB cyan VB red or anything we can do. So close the loop. Next. So now I'm clicking the here. Can you see whole the tab has been colored in the red color, because we have added the tab color is the red. So all the color has been all the tab color has been the change, and now it is the red color basically. Now move to the another question, and this is the basically if you want to the change any other color, maybe cyan, then it will change the color. Can you see now color has been changed, and this is the color now, tab color. This is the tab color. And let's see the another question. Question number 6. application. If you want to delete any particular tab, this is the tab sheets, means this is the sheets. If you want to delete any particular sheets, then how we can delete? Let's see. If you want to delete the sheet 2, then how it is can be possible? It can see sheet 2 dot delete. If we click on here, can you see there is the showing the pop-ups. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? If we click on the delete, then it will be delete. If we click on the cancel, then it will be cancel. Suppose I want to delete sheet 2. Then I click on delete. Then can you see there sheet 2 has been deleted now. If you want to do not want to show this pop-up message, then we here write a application dot display alert equal to false. False. If you want to select now the sheet 3 and click on the run button, and can you see sheet 3 has been deleted, but no pop-up message, means that this is pop-up message has been got now. So if you want to do not want to see the pop-up message, if you want to delete or not this pop-up message, then we can use the application dot display alerts. मतलब ये है जो कि जब हम वो पॉपअप को नहीं देखना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि स्लीप डिलीट करने के लिए, डिलीट करने के लिए जो मैसेज आया था ना, तो वो मैसेज को नहीं देखना चाहते हैं, तो डायरेक्ट हम डिलीट करना चाहते हैं, तो यहाँ पर हम लोग डालते हैं एप्लीकेशन डॉट डिस्प्ले अलर्ट इक्वल टू फॉल्स एंड बेसिकली and now moves to the another question. Question number 7. If you want to delete the multiple sheets, one time sheet 10, sheet 11, sheet 12, and sheet 13, 14. This is the sheet. Sheet number 10. If you want to delete the multiple sheet the one times, then how can it be possible? Let's see. At first, we write application dot display error alert equal to false, and then sheet 10. We have to use the array. Array function is used to define the similar type of data, similar types of data. Means that here we are using deleting the more than one sheets. So we are using the array. Sheet 10, sheet 11, sheet 12. This is the apply dot delete. This is the dot delete. And what happened? The sheet number 10, 11, 12 will be deleted now. Can you see it has applied? Sheet number 10, 11, 12 has been deleted. Now remaining 13 and 14. So if we want to delete the more than one sheet and the one times, then we use the array function. Array is nothing but the collection of the similar type of data. Here is this name of the sheets, the collection of similar types of data. And now moves to the another question. And suppose we want to set the background picture of the Excel sheets, and then how can possible? Question number 8. sheet VBA dot set background picture background picture let's see the we have to go here and this is the Facebook. If you want to insert the Facebook picture and let's show have to go in properties and then after security and then select the administration, click on edit. And you see now this is the path and now put on here and now if you want to run error is debugging here because here is the question mark. Now is apply. Now we go on VBA sheets. Can you see here Facebook has been imported. This is the Facebook symbol. Can you see? This is the Facebook symbol has been inserted here. So we can insert the using the VBA codes. And we now moves to the another question. Number 9. If you want to see the how many rows in this worksheet and so how can it possible, let's sales dot select then message box selection dot rows dot count. What we are doing here basically, we are selecting the whole the seats row sales, and then after selects we are what we are doing is selection dot rows dot count. We are counting the how many rows in this worksheets. Then let's see the after the applying. Can you see the whole seats has been selected now and it is showing the count. This is the count, the how many rows in this work seats means the how many rows they how many this is the how many rows. This is the how many rows in this worksheet and it is showing down pop-up message, the message of selection dot rows dot count. I'm moving to the next question. Question number 10. If you want to put the some range value here, suppose range between 100 to 500. And now we want to select the whole the value in this range, this range in which the and something has been retained means the in which the value has been in which cells the value has. We want to select the all the region of in which the value have. Then how can it possible? Let's see. range A1 dot current region dot select. Now click on run button. Can you see the region has been selected now? The regions. This is the region. Whole region has been selected now. So this is the current region is using to select the whole the region of the data. We want to select the whole the region, then we can use the range one. We are using the range one dot current region. All the value which is associated in which is the in the part in the, this in range it has been selected now. Means all the value which are continuously value in the from the A, then we select it. Means जितना भी value A के संगत में है, जिसके मान लीजिए कि बिना डिसकंटिन्यू के, तो वो तुम्हारा क्या है, उसको ये मतलब सिलेक्ट करते हैं, सिलेक्ट कर लेता है। मतलब करंट रीजन मतलब ये इससे जितने भी एसोसिएट मतलब लेफ्ट और राइट में जितने भी वैल्यू इसके साथ साथ है, उसकी वैल्यू को ये अगर करंट रीजन में ये मानता है, वो करंट रीजन लेता है बेसिकली। I move to the next other question. So, question number 11. If you want to add the seeds dot add. If you want to add any particular seeds, then how after seeds after seeds VBA after the seeds seed dot VBA dot index plus 2 and bracket this one. What happen if you want to add the seed after the seed number VBA dot index plus 2 means the what going on. There is the VBA and after the seed 1 and seed 2 we are adding after the two seeds. After two seeds means that it will add it after the 13 means the here after the 13 and before the 14 will be added. Let's see. Can you see the 15 seed has been added now here after the 13 and before the 14. And if you want to add the seeds that dot add after seeds dot VBA dot index plus 2. Then means we can add the seed after the index number seed VBA seeds and seeds after the VBA seeds and next two of the VBA seeds. And next now moves to another question. So question number 11, 12 seeds and now seeds dot border color seeds dot borders dot color equal to VB red. So what happened now? Can you see all the color is here on VBA is the all the border color is the black. So now it will be color converted into the red. Can you see all the color has been changed now into red? All the border color has been seeds border color has been changed now into red. So we can use the sales.border.colors in the VBA rate. We change the border color of the sales in the VBA rate. And now move to the another question. Question number 13. Active window dot display grid lines equal to false. What happened now? Can you see there is the showing the grid line? This is the grid line, and now we want to the off. Then what happened? Can you see now? Active window display the grid lines. Can you see the all the grid lines has been the moved now, and it is showing the white now. The completely white. So that means the all the grid lines has been the. If we again we want to the click right here true, then again the all the grid lines will be come back. Can you see the all the grid lines have been come back now? So active windows display display the grid lines. We can display the grid lines, or we can also the remove the grid lines using the true and false. And now display headings. Now at another question number 14. Question number 14, active window